Hello. Good morning, Tanvir.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. आपको मिल गया था वो असाइनमेंट देख ली थी आपने?
हाँ, मैंने देखा तो नहीं था
अच्छा।
बट उस पे डिस्कस करते हैं आज, चूंकि ना उस पे मैंने और भी इमरान इन लोगों ने भी शेयर किया था, तो
हाँ
उसमें है कुछ चीजें जो मुझे डिस्कस करनी है, सो आई थॉट कि आई विल डिस्कस। बट यार बहुत ही अच्छा है, मींस इफ यू गाइस आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट नो, तो हाउ आई एम गेटिंग मींस how that is helpful to me is I am able to understand that how much you are understanding, okay, and I can proceed in that way. So that is very good. So whatever assignments I'm giving, okay, so you guys uh, do that and share with me. That's a very good practice you guys are doing.
अब
Okay.
जो मैंने तीन क्वेश्चन अब जो मैंने 3 क्वेश्चन नहीं किए ना, वो मतलब इतने इजी क्वेश्चन है ना, मेरे को समझ नहीं आया। अब कल भी तीन तीन 3 घंटे लग गए। ठीक है, तो मैंने पहले लिखा मैंने कोड, ठीक है, फिर मैंने
Okay.
रिमूव
Okay.
किया।
हाँ.
मतलब इतना इजी क्वेश्चन है ना, मतलब फिर सॉल्व ही नहीं हुआ मेरे से। मेरे को फिर मैं हिम्मत ही हार गया। मेरे को था कि कोई नहीं, फिर क्लास में पूछ लेंगे।
Okay. Okay.
मतलब
No, no problem. No problem. That's good. You guys are trying. So perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi Sandeep. Hi Akshay. Hi.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Fine. So let's start. Perfect. So first of all, thanks a lot. You guys have tried and you have shared the assignments. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if it is visible.
Yeah, sir. Visible.
Okay. Imran has not joined. Okay. Fine. Okay, fine. This was the assignment which we have discussed. Just a minute, guys. I want everyone to be there. Not sure why Imran is missing. Who else? I think only 4 was there, no? Let me check.
Imran and Vaidyanathan.
Oh, Imran and Vedyanathan. Right, right. They have not joined so far. Imran and Vedyanathan. Just a minute, let me check. Just a minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. Let me check with them. Okay, I have pinged them. Okay, so maybe they'll be joining. So meanwhile, if required, I will repeat. Okay, no issues. So first of all, let's start with the assignment what I have given in the last class. Okay, so I think these are the questions. You guys can hear me, right? And my screen is visible.
Yeah,
Hello.
visible.
Okay, fine, perfect. So first question, write a SQL query to count the number of records in the below table. I think this was very simple. Anyone who is having confusion in this?
No.
No.
Yeah,
Okay, going to the next one. Guys, if any confusion, please stop me and ask me question. And if you have solved that, and if still there is any issue, any concern, any other concept is there, please ask me. Okay. What's the output of the below query? Create table, employee, employee ID. No. Okay, this is the table, and this is the query. Any confusion in this? Anyone?
No.
Fine. Okay. Next one. Write a SQL query to fetch an employee whose salary is rupees 100. This is the query for that. Again, any confusion? This is clear to everyone?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. And guys, like whenever I'm giving any question, any assignment, okay, so and when you are sharing the solution, no, so like give the format like this: name, okay, SQL, and date. Okay, why I know you will be thinking that this is cumbersome job, and why Tanvir is asking all those things. You know why? Because I'm getting assignments from many of you and from different batches. So then it becomes very difficult for me to track who has sent which sheet and all those things. Okay, so just if you will mention this, no, in the file name, your name SQL and the date, okay, on which I have shared the assignment. Okay, that makes sense. Fine. So any question on this one? Third question, simple.
Yeah, simple.
Okay, fourth one. Write a SQL query to fetch the employee details and sort the names in ascending order. Okay, I think this is also clear to everyone. Fine.
Yes.
Sort means order by first name ascending. I was just checking that you know the concept of order by or not, ascending or descending. I think that is clear. So order by works by default on which, ascending or descending?
Ascending order.
Ascending.
Ascending order.
Then why I have mentioned ascending here? Is this required
No, not.
or not required? If I will give this, what's the issue? It will get error message.
No, it will run.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. Fifth question. Write SQL query to count the number of employees whose salary is rupees 100. This was a good question.
Tanvir,
So, yeah.
I have some question. Actually, what I have written in the fourth question, I have written select star from employee, order by first name ascending, comma, last name ascending.
That's also fine. Okay, see, what's the question I have told? Write a SQL query to fetch the employee details. Just stop here first of all. Employee details, it means I want all the column which is present in this table. So if you have written a star instead of this first name, comma, last name, that is very good. Okay, that's also correct. Okay, but I will tell you later on that we should not use a star. I will not tell you now. I will tell you later on after 2 to 3 class that why we should not use a star. That is something related to performance. But I don't want to mix all the concepts now, Shivanshu. Okay, so that is why even if you have written a star, that is correct. You will get full marks in the interviews or wherever you're writing. That's not a problem. But that is having some performance issue, which I will discuss in the next class. Okay. And then after that, sort the names in ascending order. So I have mentioned here, sort the names in ascending order. So I have not mentioned anything here about the last name that you have to sort and all those things. So just you have to write order by first name, comma, ascending. That's the first thing. Okay. Now, ascending order means if I have just written sort the names in ascending order, it means okay, guys. So that's why whenever you are trying to write queries and all these things, and whenever you are going to write any certification, okay, of any language, so please make a habit of reading the question 2 to 3 times, because sometimes they are checking that you how much detailed information you're getting from the question. I have mentioned here sort the names in ascending order. So it means by default I am mentioning you that if the first name is same, then the last name must be sorted based on the ascending or descending order. Which order?
Ascending order.
Ascending order. Very good. So that's the thing you have to notice from here. I have not mentioned that I have not mentioned here explicitly here that the first name should be ascending, last name should be ascending, or whatever it may be. I have just mentioned sort the names in ascending order. So by default, it means the first name you're going to sort in ascending. So if last name there is any confusion, then that should also be sorted in ascending order. Okay, so you should not write like this, last name descending. If you're writing this, that's an incorrect answer.
Incorrect. Okay.
Okay, clear, guys?
Yes.
So some of the things are like from common sense you have to understand. Okay, so what the question is mentioning, you might be thinking that no, something is missing here. Tanvir has not mentioned that the first name should be in ascending, or last name should be in ascending, or last name should be in descending, first name should be in descending, like that. No, sometime in the question the information is hidden. You have to find it out. Okay, so hope this is clear, guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, please ask me question. I'm repeating. Okay.
Sir, in fourth question output, Suraj Mukherjee, Suraj Mathur. I think Suraj Mathur will come first, right?
Suraj Mukherjee, Suraj Mathur. That's correct. Okay, yeah, that's correct. So what has happened here is, okay, before this, let me tell you one thing. Whenever you're writing any query, okay, suppose the same query if I'm writing, try to understand this. I'm telling you this from the SQL engine perspective. Okay, try to understand. If you're writing this query and I have executed this query and I got this output, okay, you are correct that Tanvir, I have got here Suraj Mukherjee, Suraj Mathur. Okay, have I mentioned anything about last name here? I have not mentioned anything about last name, right? So what will happen? So when the SQL will fetch this data and will show to you. So in this case, after Suraj, the SQL will get confused whether I should keep Mukherjee first or Mathur first, right? It will get confused because I have not mentioned anything about last name. So what will happen? By default, sometime it will give Mathur first. and sometime it will give Mukherjee here. So there will be no fixed pattern. Okay, you can ask me a question that Tanvir, why Mukherjee is coming first here. So it is like you are following last name descending, right? Last name
Yeah,
descending. So that is what I'm telling here. The SQL gets confused because the user has not mentioned anything about last name. He wants this in ascending or descending. So that's why sometime it will give you in this pattern, in this fashion, or sometime in this fashion. So in order to fix this, so you have to write like this: first name, comma, last name.
yeah, yes, sir.
This is the correct query. You're right. This is the correct query. Now I will show you this one. Clear to everyone, guys?
Yeah, clear.
I am moving little bit fast today because I think this concept has been discussed, but still if you
Yes.
think that Tanvir you're going fast, please stop me. So this is the data.
Yeah,
Let me run this. Now I'm executing this. Observe the output. Suraj especially. Check the Suraj case. Is it fine now?
yeah, fine, yes.
Okay. Now if I will not mention last name here, so there is no fixed format because SQL engine will get confused with the last name. So it can give you any result. There is no fixed format. Mukherjee is
Yeah.
coming here, Mathur is there. Sometime it can give you Mathur and Mukherjee. It can also happen like that also. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, fine. So if you guys are interested, no, I will tell you that how actually what happens when you're writing a query. So inside that, what all things happen, but that is not in the syllabus. Now that's not in the agenda. But those who are interested, they can let me know. I will tell you maybe in separate time. Okay. But because you
Yeah.
should know that actually when you're writing query inside that SQL engine database, what is happening, how it is optimizing it, how it is fetching the data, how it is sorting the data, how it is getting the data, and all those informations are there. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So this is clear, guys. This was very
Yeah.
important.
Yes.
Perfect. Very good. Now moving to the next question. Right? SQL query to count the number of employees, his salary is rupees 100. Okay. Any question on this? Any doubt on this?
No.
No.
Clear? So I mentioned
Yeah.
that I want the number of employees whose salary is rupees 100. So see, whenever you're writing a question or any programming language, Python or whatever you are working on, okay, there's a format how you have to write query. You know, like yesterday I was going through a blog, okay, and the interviewers who used to give interview for the data scientist, data analytics role, and all those things. So they were telling that if the interviewer is asking me the theoretical question related to SQL, I'm able to answer it. Okay. So, but I'm getting struck whenever it is like a logical question they're asking that write a query to do this, write a query to do that, and all those things. Okay. So the first reason is you guys are not practicing. That's very important. I'm telling this for everyone. Programming or SQL is more of a practice. Please practice 5 queries at least on a daily basis. How many queries, guys?
5
Fine.
queries.
5 queries. And the best way, you know, my friends, my connections, they'll ping me in LinkedIn and they will ask me that, okay, share SQL queries and all those things, many other things. So what I suggest is, and I have told you guys as well, okay, best way, I'll tell you the best way to learn SQL. Around you, many things are there. Okay, frame a scenario, create a table, insert data, frame some queries on yourself. Got it? Like
Yeah.
create a table, that's my friends table. Write the name of your friends, their date of birth, their hobbies, their aim, and frame some questions based on that. You got it, guys? Similarly, you can make a table of Indian festival, something like that, Indian leaders and all those things. And you can write some query, try to fetch some information and all those things. Okay. So perfect. So here I was asking that count the number of employees whose salary is rupees 100. So how you have to write a query? So see the condition. What I want, count. What I want, count. The number of employees whose salary is rupees 100. So first of all, write select count a star. And the condition is salary is rupees 100. So where salary is 100. What I want, count. So written count star from salary where salary from employee where salary is equal to 100. Okay. Now, if I will tell you that tell me the number, count the number of employees whose salary is 200, what you will do?
What is the question?
Select
The
count
number
of the employee with salary equal to 200.
salary equal to 200, right? Okay, let me show you
Yeah.
this one. First of all, let me create this table. I think table is already created. and this will show me an error message. Okay, you can drop this table first of all. Table employee. Okay, table dropped. Those who don't know what drop and all these things I'm doing, please bypass all these concepts. I will tell you. It's taking time. Why is it taking time? It's taking time. I think the server is down or what? Vedyanathan has joined. Okay. Hi Vedyanathan. When you have joined Vedyanathan, have you missed anything? Vedyanathan, are you able to hear?
Yes. Good morning.
Okay. Good
Can you hear
morning.
me? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sorry.
I was asking, have you missed anything?
I just joined now. Like.
Okay, so we were just discussing about the assignment questions. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So right now I'm in this question number 5. Okay.
Okay.
So from
okay.
first to 4, we have discussed. But still, if you
Okay.
have any question, you can connect with me after class. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Perfect. No problem. Yeah, server is down. It's taking time. Minute connection is not good. What's happening? Oh, it's good. Server is taking time. Let me kill this instance and open one. Not this page. Taking time today. Just let me try the platform. I think the server is down today. Where's the SQL one? Python. Okay. So now, how many employees are there with salary 100? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think this data is duplicate. I think I inserted 2 times. Fine, yeah, it's 2 times.
Yeah, 2 times.
Okay, is this clear? How many employees are there with salary 100?
3.
Okay, clear to everyone?
Yeah,
Yes.
clear.
Now, how many are there with salary 200? What I have to do in this query?
Where salary
Hmm.
equal to 200.
Salary equal to 200. Okay, what should be the output?
1.
1. Okay. Now, this is clear. Any question, anyone?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, if I will write this, think and tell me what should be the output.
Where
First
salary
of
in
all,
100.
think and tell me.
4.
4. Okay, any other answer? Guys, anyone? Any other guys? Please respond. Give your responses. We
4.
can save time. 4.
4.
Why?
3 plus 1.
For 100,
100.
how many are there? 1,
100
2,
3,
3.
201.
201. Okay, so 3 plus 1, total 4. Okay, let me run this. 4. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Imran has joined? No, he has not joined. Vaidyanathan, this is clear?
Yes, Tanvir.
Okay, perfect. Now I'm twisting it. Total 4 employees are there who are earning salary either 100 or 200, right? But from this, if I will ask you that how many, from this only, okay, from this query only, okay, and suppose you cannot see this data, okay, assume you are not having access to this. I run this query and this is the output, okay. I will ask you that out of this 4, how many are there who are earning 100 rupees as a salary, and how many are there who are earning 200 as a salary? Now tell me. You got my question? From this output is 4. I'm asking, can you tell me how many are there who are earning salary 100 and how many are there who are earning salary 200? Can you tell me from this?
Yeah, understand. Group by employee salary.
Yeah. So means
group by
we
employee
have to do something in this query, but from this query we cannot get that information that how many are there who are earning 100, how many are there who are earning 200, right? That is not clear.
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so for that we have to do something. So when you want that how many are there who are earning 100 or 200, so what you have to write is you have to write select salary as well, because now you want the count salary wise. You want the count salary wise. That's why you should mention salary as well after select. Okay, let me run this. Error message, not a single group function. Okay, please remember this very important concept. Okay, and in interviews for sure, especially to freshers, they will ask you a question. The concept is whenever you're using count star after select, I repeat, whenever you're using count star after select, so what all columns are present apart from count star, all those columns must be written after group by. Must be written after group by. So the rule is whenever you're using anything and you have written count of a star, and if you have any column after count of a star, after or before, I'm just telling in select clause. So apart from count star, what we have? Salary. So this salary you must have to write after group by. This is the syntax. If you want to fetch any other information apart from count of a star, why this is a syntax, we will discuss about that. But right now, just try to understand this is the syntax. If you're not writing this, what will happen? You will get an error message. Okay, let me execute this. Now tell me, is it correct or not? Is this the one what we were expecting?
Yeah, correct.
Is it correct, everyone?
Yes.
Now
But
you can.
group by always use with the count star.
Group by always use the concept. Very good. Or you can tell the other way around, that whenever you're using count star, and apart from this, if you want any other column, you see here as well you have used count star, but you have not used any other column apart from this. Have you used any other column apart from count star in this query? Yes. Yes or no?
No.
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 Here
First one.
only count star in there is there in this query. You have not written anything apart from that in select clause. So that is why no need to write group by. Have I written group by in the first query?
No, no need.
No. Why I have not written?
Because you are using only count of star. Apart from that, you are
Because
not
in
using.
select clause I have used only count of a star. So no need to write group by. But in the next query, the requirement is I want the count salary wise. So it means I have to write salary as well in the select clause. So if you're writing any other column apart from count star in the select clause, then that particular column must be written along with
Group by.
group by. If you will not write this, you will get error message. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
So now the output what I am getting on the screen, is this the one what we were expecting?
Yeah, yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now the question is that, okay, you are showing salary in this fashion, okay, but I want salary to be displayed in ascending order. What I have to do?
Okay.
Is the salary in ascending order here? First of all, tell me this.
No, no, no.
No.
We can
So
write
this is
order
not
by
ascending.
salary ascending. After
Where
group
should
by.
I? After group
After
by, I
group by. Yeah.
after group by I have to write
Yeah,
order by
salary. Salary.
salary. Ascending I have to write ASC, na?
Yeah, ASC.
It's mandatory. I have to write
No.
ASC, no?
No, by
No, no,
default it is
no,
Oh,
ascending.
okay,
no
okay. It's not
mandatory.
mandatory.
It's
No
not
mandatory.
mandatory.
Okay, okay. Execute. Let me run this. Fine. Is this the correct? Is this we were
Yeah,
expecting?
correct. 100, 200.
Okay, okay. Clear? Shivanshu, is this clear?
Yes.
Akshay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, okay. But Sandeep, I have a question. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sandeep, I want to write this before group by. What will happen?
I think because order by will always write at the end of the sequence statement.
Okay, okay. So guys, you understood what I am telling? Here we have written group by salary and then we have written order by, right? So I was asking that no, I want to write order by first and then group by. Okay. So if I will execute this, what will happen? This will throw an error message. Okay. When SQL engine throws error message, I think we have discussed this. Tell me, in which scenario?
Then the syntax issue.
Yeah,
Perfect,
syntax issue.
perfect, perfect. Very good, very good. Whenever you are violating any rule, when traffic police will give you a challan, when you are violating a traffic rule, correct? So here you are violating a SQL rule. Rule is order by must be written always at the very end. Okay, always at the very end. So here you written order by before group by, so this will throw you an error message. Okay, SQL command not properly ended, and this is the very bad feature of SQL engine, that the error message are not user friendly. Correct? No, here this is just saying that SQL command not properly ended. So if you will do any other mistake, no, it will give you same error message. So that's something which I don't like. Anyway, so hope this is clear, guys. You understood this concept?
Yeah, clear.
These are the basic concepts, but in interviews they will ask these questions, I'm sure, 100%. Okay, now Now this is the output. We have seen that we got the count salary wise. But suppose Sandeep told me that no, Tanvir, this is fine that you have shown the count of employees salary wise. That is good. But yeah, I want to see the employee names as well. Okay, I want to see the employee names as well. Okay, so what I have to do in this query? Because their employee name is not there, no? I want to see based on the employee name as well. What I have to do?
Okay. In the outer class, we will write
Employee
this is
name.
sub-query.
No.
What?
He can
In the
include the
outer
employee
clause,
name
you can
here.
write select star
Hmm.
from employee wait salary in.
Okay. Okay. See, here I told you that this is correct. Sandeep told me that Tanvir, this is correct. I am convinced. Okay, but do one thing. You are showing salary and count star. That is fine. But yeah, show me employee name as well. So Sandeep requirement is only one. What is telling that Tanvir, show me employee name as well. So guys, whenever you want to display what I am telling, whenever you want to display something, what extra Sandeep wants me to display here?
Employee name.
Employee name. So first
Yeah.
of all, add that after select. First rule. Okay, whenever you want to display something, write that after where you have to write it?
Select.
Yeah.
After select, or or this is also known as select clause. Write that in select clause. So I thought that okay, Sandeep wants employee name. So the first thing is I have to write this employee name in select clause. Till here it is clear or not? First of all, tell me.
Yeah, it is clear.
Clear. Okay, clear. Now after this, right now I have taught you a rule that if you are using count star and what all columns are present apart from count star, then what is the rule?
Yeah, group by salary EMP name.
Perfect. Then those columns must be present after
Group by.
order by.
Yeah.
Order
No,
by,
Group
group
by.
by. Group
Group
by.
by.
Okay. That must be present after
Group by.
group by. Is it clear, guys? Please tell me.
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, fine, very good. But okay, now if I will execute this query, you will get error message or not?
Why we getting error message? I think in syntax.
That's what I'm asking you. Hey.
No, sir.
I think it will not throw an error.
Okay, fine, very good. Now, these two columns I have written in select clause, and I have mentioned these two columns in group by. But
Yeah.
order by will revolt. He will tell me that Tanvir, in group by you have written these two columns. Why in my case you have written only salary? So is it mandatory to write all these columns in order by
No,
as
sir.
well?
No mandatory.
No mandatory. That is my wish. I want to
yeah.
sort only on salary. I don't
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to sort on employee name. Okay, so order by will not do a revolt. Okay, is a good guy. So let me execute this. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose employee name is sorted here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? Yes.
Oh, so
Yes.
no.
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 So
See,
I want
yeah.
this to be sorted in on employee name. What I have to do?
Order by employee
Order by
name.
salary comma.
No, just employee name Shivanshu I want.
Order by employee name only.
Order by
Employee
employee
name.
name. Employee name. Order by employee name. It's very simple. Let me execute this. Now tell me, is it fine?
Yeah. ABC.
So what you understood from here? Employee name A, salary 100, there is only one. B, salary 200, only one. Like that. Okay? This is a very important rule, guys. Okay,
Yeah.
hope this is clear. Okay.
Yeah, clear. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Fine, I was still planning to do something more here. Okay, this is clear.
Sir, I'm coming in.
Yeah. Someone asking question. Who? Akshay, you're asking question? Don't know. Someone is asking question. Guys, can you hear me? Everyone?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm not sure someone is asking a question. Okay, now in this I have one more flavor. Now guys, the concepts now slowly it will become complicated, so please give full concentration. Okay, now the question is I want to display the salary. I want to display only those salaries. Okay, try to listen to the question very carefully. I want to display only those salaries for which there are more than one employee. Got my question? I want to display only those salaries for which we have more than one employee. So first of all, from this, tell me what all those salaries are there. 100, one employee is there, then 100, 3. So for 100, we have more than one employee. More than one employee are earning 100 salary.
Okay, I understand. Yeah.
Understand now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do one thing like this. No, just a minute. Select salary, count of a star.
From employee group by salary.
Salary. Now here, salary 400. How many employees are earning salary 400? Only one. 200, only one. 300, only one. 100, 3. So 3 employees are there who are earning salary 100. So my question is that tell me the salary or that the employees who are earning that particular salary is more than one. Now tell me what should be the answer for this question.
Oh, you want 100. You want the 100 in the output.
100 because 100 salary, 3 employees are earning 100 salary. It means more than one employees are there who are earning 100 salary. So I want that information only. I don't want this information 400, 200, 300 because in this case only one employer earning this salaries. But tell me that particular salary that more than one employees are earning. First of all, tell me guys, my question is clear or not? You understood the question or not?
Yeah, I understand the question.
Everyone. Shivanshu, you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Question is clear to everyone. Now, Sandeep, you were telling something, I think.
Yeah. For this, we can after group by having count of star greater than 1.
Yeah. I will come to that. Very good. First of all, question is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the solution of this. Solution. I think some sound is coming. Okay. Now, you want count to be more than 1, right? Count to be more than 1. So where count of a star greater than 1. Can I write this? This is the condition, no? I told I want on no.
We cannot write this. Okay.
I'll come to that. Come to that. I know what you're highlighting. Just hold on for a minute. I will come to that. So here I want the salaries or those salary for which we have more than one employee. It means I want count of a star greater than 1. Is this condition clear or not? First of all, tell me. No, this is not clear.
Is clear. But we cannot write before group by. After group by, we are putting this condition.
I will come to that. First of all, is this condition is clear or not? This is correct or not? Tell me this condition only.
Can you repeat?
Okay, I'm repeating. I want those salaries for which we have more than one employee. Okay, here you can see Shivanshu 400. How many employees are earning 400, Shivanshu?
One employee only.
One employee. So I want this. No, I don't want this. I want that particular salary that more than one employees are earning. Okay, take this example. Salary and name. Okay, suppose 100 salary. A is earning 100. Okay, 100. Then B is also earning 100. 200. C is earning 200. 300. D is earning 300. Sorry. E is earning. Now tell me, 100, how many employees are earning?
2.
2. So more than one employee is earning 100. So this is the what I
Yes.
want. Now, do I need
Okay.
this 200?
No.
No, because only one employee is earning. I'm not interested in this. I want that particular salary which is earned by more than one employee. 300. Do I need this?
No.
Why no, yaar? How many employees are earning
Because-
300?
Oh, so sorry. D and E. Okay.
So 2 employees are earning. So I want this as well,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Imran has joined. Imran, when you have joined? Right now?
Yeah, Tanvir, just now I joined.
Oh, okay. You have missed, yaar. Okay. You're sleeping?
Sorry. No, I just reached home right now.
Okay. No problem. No problem. So guys, like down the line to everyone. Okay. So sometime it happens now we are occupied, not an issue. So just drop me a note on the WhatsApp. Okay. That will help me. No issues. So Imran, just try to understand whatever you can. Okay. Otherwise, please connect with
Okay,
me
ma'am.
after class. Okay. We can discuss that. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Perfect. So first of all, guys, I'm repeating. My question is clear or not? Don't go to the solution. Question is clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Everyone? No,
Yes.
this is not clear. Question is not clear, I think.
It's clear. Clear, sir.
Akshay, is this clear? Question requirement is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear. Okay, sure. So the condition, I want more than one employee earning that particular salary. So I thought that I want this count of a star greater than 1. Correct? So is this correct condition?
Yes.
Okay. Correct? No, greater than 1. So that is what I want.
Correct. Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Now I'm executing this. Okay. Oh, group function is not allowed here. I will tell you why this error message is coming. See, where is the filter condition? Please make a note of this. In entire SQL world, where is the filter condition? Whenever you want to apply filter, you have to use that in where clause. Here I want this filter count of a star greater than 1. I have used in where clause. Everything is correct, but even then I got an error message. Okay. Why this error message is coming? Please try to understand. Second rule, very important second rule in today's class. Whenever you are trying to apply any condition on where clause, I repeat, whenever you are trying to apply any condition, any filter on count of a star, don't use where. Don't use where. You have to use having. You have to use having. Don't use where when I want to use count of a star. You might be having question, why Tanvir, why this? I will answer all those questions. Why this, when that also. Okay. Just now to keep the thing simple. So you have to use having whenever you are using count of a star in a filter condition. Okay. Now you might be thinking that today we have learned 2 rules with the count of a star. Whenever you're using count of a star and if you want any other column in the select clause, what was the rule? What I told you?
Yeah, we must and should write group by clause.
We must write group by and that particular column name. If you have 2 columns, what you will do? You will write only 1 column in group by, no?
No. Yeah, apart from count, how many columns are there in the first class? All
Correct.
columns must be present in group by.
Okay. So here you have 2 columns. You have written both the columns in group by. This is correct or not?
Correct.
Correct. If I will write only group by salary, what will happen?
It will throw an
Throw
error.
an
It
error.
will throw error.
Okay. But why in order by you have written only 1 column?
That is our
So we
wish.
want
It's not
employee
a
name.
mandate.
That is my wish. Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So what is this having? One minute, just 1 minute, I will come. What is this having? Why I have used this having?
Because whenever we are going to put any filter condition on count of star, we should not write where clause.
Okay. So you mean that whenever you want to apply any filter condition on count of a star, you have to use having. Is this you are telling?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so this is clear to you guys, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Someone was asking question. Please tell me.
No, sorry. I was just asking, like, if possible, like, you can repeat this having condition alone. So you have already done.
Okay. Okay. Is this clear now? Clear?
Yes,
Asha,
yes,
you want
yes.
to repeat? Okay, fine. Now I'm executing this. Guys, you see, I'm again here repeating. Please make it understand. Okay, try to understand this. Nowadays, don't think that you will get a straight question. Okay, that's why I always try to understand any concept from multiple dimension. Try to mix the concept. Try to understand where and having the difference. Where you have to use where you have to use having. What's the difference between group by and order by? Why I have to write all the columns in group by, but why I'm not writing all the columns in order by? Can I write all the columns in order by? If I'm missing all the columns which is in select clause in group by, what will happen? Like this. Okay, try to correlate the things. Okay, fine. I'm running this.
Tanvir, like, so you said like when we use count star, we have to use like having condition. Is it applicable only for count star or any other function, inbuilt function?
Correct. I will come to that. But to answer your question, all the aggregate functions whenever you are using, what all aggregate functions? Count of a star, maximum, minimum, average, sum. We'll discuss all those things. So for all those scenarios, you have to use having. You should not use where. Okay. So just I thought that to answer your question in a short form. So that is the concept. Not only for count star, all the aggregate functions. Aggregate functions we will discuss, guys. Don't think that what Tanvir is telling now aggregate function. We will discuss that. Don't bother. Okay. So whenever you have any aggregate function, you have to use having. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now there is one scenario I will show you. Even I have posted on my LinkedIn page that you are using count, but you are using where. Okay, that's an exceptional scenario. I will show you. Okay, you are using count, but you are using where. But even you will not get any error message. So that's an exceptional scenario. I will show you that. But don't think about all those things. Forget it. Okay, so just remember this is the rule. Whenever you're using count, star, and a filter, you have to use having condition. Okay. Now this is the output. Tell me, is this the correct output or not? No, this is not correct output. No.
Yeah, it's correct only, right?
Correct output, everyone?
Yeah, correct only.
Only 300, only 100 is the one which is having more than 3.
One value.
More than one value. Yeah. Okay. Clear to everyone? Fine. Moving to the next question. Write a SQL query to fetch the students who have scored 90 in physics. Okay, who have scored 90 in physics. So I've written this query. Is this correct? Any doubt on this? Anyone who has any problem in this query? Condition is scored 90 in physics. Two conditions are there. So I've written where marks in 90 and subject is equal to physics. Okay.
Physics. Yes.
You guys are not asking question here. This is not good.
Yeah, in this we are clear. This one is clear because we have write and operator. Both conditions are there.
Okay. If I will write this, what will happen?
Yeah, we can write marks equal to or marks in both the ways.
Both are correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay. If you write like this, what will happen?
It will throw an error because it has to satisfy both the conditions.
Because data is not sensitive.
So what will happen? You will get error message or not? First of all, this question.
No, it will not. It will not retrieve any records because
No data found.
No sequence.
Data found, yeah.
No syntax error. So it will not throw.
So error will be there or not? First of all, tell me yes or no.
No error. It's not data. No data is there in that table.
Okay. So why no error?
Because PHY, P and H are in caps. In data,
because
only P.
Because I have not violated any rule, so no error message, right? Correct.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now you have changed the data. So data you want write in uppercase, lowercase. So you will not get error message. That's the other thing. This PHY is not present here, so you will not get any data. So output will be no data found. Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Shivanshu, you have any question?
No.
Okay. Now my manager told me that Tanvir, I am writing this query, but I am not getting any output. Okay. Do you think that if I will execute this query, I will get output?
No, because you write subject equal to PHY in
PHY.
uppercase.
So no data found I will get. output,
Yeah.
right? But my
Yeah.
manager told me that no, I want to search this way only. Do something in this query. What I have to do?
Upper of subject.
Where I have to write upper in marks, right?
No, upper of subject.
Upper of subject. Okay. Why? Why I
U
have to
double
write
P
in
in
upper?
bracket.
Yes.
Why? What is the use of this? What will happen?
Because
will convert
later
in
it will
all
convert it into
upper.
all caps, upper letters, uppercase.
Then
Then it will fetch the result.
perfect. Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Very good explanation. So my manager told that no, I want to write in this way only. So what I will do, I will silently write upper here, right? Then SQL
Yes.
engine is very intelligent. What he will do, he will convert all this subject in first of all upper internally,
Yes.
right?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
and then the SQL engine will save that, right? It will save it, no?
Yes. No, it will not
No,
save
it
temporary.
will not save. That will be in local memory only. It will not save it in uppercase. So for just the time being, what SQL will do, it will convert this in uppercase, right? It will convert PHY in uppercase just for the time being, right? After the comparison is done, then it will delete this one. Okay, clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
clear. Okay, now I have a question. Before asking question, because that question is little bit tricky, before asking that question, I repeat, any question please ask me now. You guys are not asking questions.
If we will write marks equal to comma, we will add 19 commas.
Sorry, marks is equal to 19 comma like this.
Yes. No, not like this.
How?
Under
Oh,
comma.
under quotes.
Oh,
like this.
sorry, quotes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you will get same
So-
output. You will get
Yes,
same
yes,
output.
yes, same output.
I will show.
Yes, same output,
I think
yes.
we have discussed this in the last class as
Yes.
well. I think someone has asked.
Mhm.
So no issue. If you want to write any numeric column within quotes, not a problem. You'll get the same
Quotes.
output. You guys, Shivanshu, you try
Okay.
this, okay? You try this once the session is over.
Yes.
You try this.
Mm.
But characters, you must have to write within
Mhm.
quotes. Okay. But that's
Same,
a good
okay.
question you have asked. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Any other question, guys?
No.
No.
I
question.
have a question like Tanvir.
Yeah, sure.
So when we
Yeah,
are
we'll
writing,
answer.
for example, select count star or something like that. So when I use without using that specific without listing that specific column, if we use order by or so group by, still the system will work, right? Is that right? Still the query will work.
No, or that your group by will throw error message. I will show you. I got your question. See, that's a very good, again, very good question. See, this is the one you are telling.
Yes.
First of all, do one thing. Remove this one. Select count star from employee. This is simple, right? Now,
Yeah.
Vaidyanathan is asking that, Tanvir, I want to write group by something, any particular column name, right? Salary, maybe anything, right? No?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this will throw you an error message, and I will tell you why. First of all, let me run this. Oh, no error message. Oh, okay, fine. I will tell you why it has not given error message. Let me come on this part. First of all, let's try to understand group by. Okay, that what it is doing. You are writing select count of a star from employee. Okay, so it is giving you that count of a star. But when you have written group by salary, so you are telling it that, okay, group by salary. No, just a minute. Separate it, then you will little bit easy to understand. First of all, tell me what the difference in these two query. This query, this is the output. Okay. And this query, this is the output. Now tell me what is the difference between these two output first of all.
That is grouping the by salary wise, means 103, 201, like that. Grouping.
Correct.
Grouping and
So,
counting. Yeah.
Counting. So here it has given you total count, right? But here it has given you the count based on the salary. But salary information is not coming here, no? Why?
Because we have not requested to list that column.
Perfect, very good. Because we have not asked, we have not requested to show the salary. That's why it has not shown salary here. Okay, but if you want, you can write salary as well. Okay, then it will show you the salary, but the concept will be one and the same. You can see salary is coming here.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now
So,
coming to
one question. So if here we use salary, I agree that. So if we use like group by salary,
comma employee name.
yeah, employee name, still it works.
No, it is
No,
still
it will throw an
no,
error.
you will not get any error message. So what it will do is you will get the output in that format. Okay, but it will not show you the salary and employee name here.
Yeah. Yes,
Employee name is not coming here. Okay,
Yeah,
but the
yeah.
reverse order is mandatory. If you're writing that in select clause and if you're missing that in group by, then that's an issue. Okay. One more thing I want to show here. Suppose if I written here order by salary, you will get, guys, those who are not speaking, please go on mute. So you will get from keyword not found. Oh, comma is missing here. Order by salary. You got this? Now, suppose if I will write employee name. I have written employee name here. Okay, and let's observe the output, what is happening here. What has happened?
Same
Have you
output,
observed
because-
anything? Same output.
same.
You have mentioned that I want order by employee name, but that employee name is not present here. Okay, so you have all the freedom to write what all columns you want in group by and order by. That freedom you have, but the reverse is not correct. If you have written 3 columns in group select, those 3 columns must be present in group by. Okay, if you're not keeping that in group by, that will give you an error message. But in group by, what all columns you want, you can keep, and if that is not present in select clause, that's not a problem.
So if
Is
we
this clear?
delete the salary from the group by, it will throw an error. Is that right here?
If we delete
Row
salary
number
from
21.
the group, correct. Very good. Now, if I will execute this will throw an error message. Why? Why this will throw error message?
Because we have a column which before count.
We have a column salary in Slack.
Because we have a column salary and this is not present here, so this will start shorting. That's why you have not kept it in group by. Okay, that's why we should see not a group by expression. Why? Because now this salary is shorting. That's why you have not kept this in group by. Okay, he is crying. So that's why in select whatever is present, that must be present in group by. But the
Can
reverse
we
is
place that after employee name, Tanvir, like group by employee name, comma salary also it will work, right? Or first it
group
will
by
select only
employee. No issue. It will run. Fine.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. And you have, I'm not sure if that will work here, but that works on Oracle platform. I'm not sure if that works here. We'll try. It's not working here. Okay, but that works on Oracle platform. I'll tell you what I'm trying to do.
It's about indexing, sir.
No, not indexing. I'll just tell you 1 minute. It is not working here. Leave that concept. I will tell you afterwards. No, okay. So what the concept is, no? Sometimes that I've written select salary, comma, these all things, and you don't want to write salary. You just write group by 1. So to understand that, okay, you want this based on this particular salary. You don't have to write the name. Let me check if it works in order by. But in Oracle platform, I have seen that's work. Okay, it is not working here as well. That seems to be some problem with this platform. Let me check if it works this way. Oh, okay. No, you can see. So what has happened here? I've written order by 1. So automatically it understood that 1 means the first column, salary. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose I have salary, comma. This guy is selling onion. Are you listening this?
Yes.
Okay.
Order by
So if I write order by 2, so what's the meaning of this?
2.
On which column I'm
Or-
doing order by?
Employee
Employee
name.
name.
Employee
Sorting
name.
the buckets, yeah.
So you don't have to write the exact column name in this case. Sorted by employee name. This is fine.
Yes.
So you can use this 1, 2 like that. Suppose if you want to sort on both, so you can write 1, 2. So automatically SQL engine will understand that okay, the user wants to sort based on salary and
Okay.
employee name.
Okay.
Okay. So now let me run this. Fine. Is it clear? You can play with this
Yes.
1, 2, 2,
Yeah.
1. This is a shortcut means
Yes.
if you don't want to write now all these things, you can do this. Okay. Perfect. Any other question, guys? That was very good question. Very, very good question. Perfect. Any other question? That's why I'm telling if you ask questions, new concepts will come. Okay. So keep on asking questions, guys. I was asking something else. I forgot what I was asking. Yeah, I remember now. Now my manager is telling me that Tanvir, I want the same thing. Means this is the requirement, this is the question, and this is the query I have written, Tanvir. So now he is telling that do something that I don't want to write physics here. I don't want to write what? Physics, PHY, whatever it is, lowercase, uppercase, or whatever it may be. So then, but I want the same output. So what I have to do? You got my question? I want same output, same condition, but I don't want to write PHY here. What should I do?
We can use not in.
Perfect. Who is this gentleman? Sandeep
Vaidya.
Vaidyanathan. Sorry, I get confused in Sandeep and Vaidyanathan. Your both voice seems to be same for me. Okay, first of all, before proceeding, the concept was the question was clear or not? What I was trying to ask?
Clear, sir. Question 2.
Clear. Okay. First of all, create table. Table is created, and why I'm doing this now? So if you'll get the practical things are more means realizing, right? You will realize that okay, things are happening, but just I will show you that this query, okay, this is happening. You will not feel that. That's why I want to run the query. So that gives another feeling. Okay, so this was the condition, and this was the first query which you all have written, and you all are convinced that okay, this is correct, and you are told that okay, yeah, this is the correct Tanvir, that marks is 90. So A has scored 90 marks and C has scored 90 marks. Okay, then you guys told me that I can write query like this as well. I can write upper and I can write query like this as well. Okay, you got the same output, correct? Okay, before this, one more thing. Now my manager is telling that no, Tanvir, I want all these things like this. Do something. What I have to do?
Upper will be replaced by
Upper will be replaced by
lower.
lowercase. Correct. You will get the same output. Got the same output? Hello?
Yeah, same output. Yeah,
Okay,
same output.
Now my manager is telling that no, Tanvir, I don't want to write physics here, PHY. I don't want to write PHY, but I want the same output, same condition. What you have to do? So you don't want physics. Okay, I'm doing something. Okay, I'm writing something. I will not speak anything. Apply your common sense and tell me what is happening here. Okay. You will sell all the onions here only. Okay, now I'm executing this.
Yeah.
Okay, now before executing, hold on. No, execute. Let me execute this. Otherwise, you will tell Tanvir is asking a lot of questions. Okay. Upper. Oh, sorry, upper I have used here. That's what I was thinking. Why I got. Now, first of all, tell me, you got the same output or not? First of all, yes or no?
Yeah, same output.
Same output. Okay. Now, who will tell me what magic I have done here or what has happened?
You're writing not equal to chemistry. Means only physics records will be fetching.
Perfect. Right? Suppose Shivanshu is there, Akshay is there. Okay? Shivanshu is there and Akshay is there. And suppose I am taking Shivanshu to a party. Okay, I and Shivanshu went for a party. Okay, so what I can write? Select the star from party table where name is equal to Shivanshu. Correct? Oh, sorry, Shivanshu is spelling I have written wrong. Name is equal to Shivanshu. That's the one way. Correct? Now the second way is you will tell me that okay, Shivanshu will tell that don't highlight my name. Okay. So then I can write where name is not equal to what?
Akshay.
Akshay. So if I'm telling I will not take Akshay to a party, Akshay, please pardon me. So if I'm telling I will not take Akshay for a party, so it means I will take Shivanshu. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No, not clear. Clear to everyone?
Clear, sir.
So that's what
Yes.
I've written. Subject is not equal to chemistry. So which subject I'm talking about?
Physics only.
Physics, common sense. Correct?
Yeah.
I think you guys are not understanding. Anyone who wants me to repeat this?
Yeah,
Actually,
we
I
are
want.
understanding.
Yeah, Shivanshu.
No, I want to know the answer of that. Where you have written and lower subject equal to only quotes.
Oh, okay. I will come to that. Is this clear or not,
Okay.
Shivanshu?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay.
Not equal to.
So Shivanshu is telling one more very good scenario he has told that then we write like this. Like this it will write. Hello, you are telling this?
Yes.
Okay. Who will tell what will happen? Any guesses?
We'll list both physics and chemistry because we are no, it will not.
No data found.
No data found.
No data found. No data found.
Yeah.
Correct. Why? Because they're searching for some blank spaces. Blank is
Only
not present
spaces.
here. So no data
Yeah,
found. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Shivanshu, is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. But that was a good question. Okay. Now coming back to this because I was planning to cover some more flavors on this. Okay.
Yeah,
Now
please.
coming back to this. Now, is this clear or not, guys? This logic was
Yeah,
clear,
clear.
no? Okay.
Yeah,
Sir,
clear.
we can write not in as well.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Sandeep, I'm coming. Sandeep has asked. Sandeep, you have asked, no?
Yeah, it's not me, I think.
Akshay.
Akshay. Sorry, Akshay. Akshay has asked. Okay. Yeah, Akshay, you can write not in as well. Okay. Let me cover that one first. Then I will come to my scenario. Akshay has suggested very good concept. You can use not in as well. Subject. And no need to write these brackets. Okay. If you want, you can write this bracket. Otherwise, no need to write this bracket. Okay. If you want, you can write. That's not a problem. Subject not in. You can write not in as well. Okay. So you know, right? We have used in, right? I have shown you that you can use in. So here, if you don't want any particular data, use not in. Okay. You will get the same output. A and C is coming. Okay. Clear, Akshay?
Clear, sir.
Okay, very good. Now you have one more. You can write one more method is there. This also you can use. This is again same as not in or this one. They both are same. Let me show this. Okay, clear? So if you want to write this way, you can write this way, or you can use this operator. They all are same, not. Okay, before proceeding, guys, please, any question, if you have not asked, tell me. I will repeat. These are very important concepts.
Yeah,
You want to
we
repeat
understand,
anything?
but in upper of subject not equal to chemistry, we are getting 3 records. Why, sir?
Upper of subject not equal to. Okay, got it. Upper of subject. Let me write that query.
Not equal to chemistry.
Not equal to.
Chemistry.
Shall I write like this? Because last time I have not written like this. It was like this.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay,
That's why we
okay.
got 3 output. Right now?
Oh, yeah.
I think you got the reason as well. But let me run this. You got 3 output.
Okay.
If I'm reading upper subject not equal to chemistry, why 3 output is coming? You guys will tell me the answer for this. Who will tell me?
Hello.
Yeah.
Because we must write CHE in all in upper upper. C and SNE are in lower. No.
Okay. Let's try to understand. Let me do some analysis on this. I don't have that self no. Just a minute, guys. Let me open the Take time to understand this concept. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. So if this is clear, no, these are the basic concepts. Then you can frame any queries, any SQL queries. That's why I give more stress on the basics. Okay. So this is the question. This is the query, and select start from. Start from student. Okay. This is the one. This is the data. Okay. And then when I've executed this, we got 3 output. This is the output, and we are thinking that why we got this output, we have to do analysis on this. Fine. Now, when you will execute this query, so first of all, what will happen? Your SQL engine, what it will do? It will, in subject, it will make it in uppercase, right? Subject, what it will do? It will convert this in uppercase.
Okay.
Correct, no?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so convert this in uppercase. Now you can see it is converted uppercase. First of all, tell me it is converted or not. First of all.
Yeah, converted. After that,
Okay,
compare.
and this will be saved, in database, no?
Yes,
Local, in
database save.
local.
Please make a note. I'm repeating, guys. Interviewers, or maybe anytime, don't think from interview perspective only. Even if you're working in a live project in any organization, if you have this exceptional knowledge, and if you're adding this in your team meetings, that will give you an exceptional, what I can say, means image. Okay, so you should know from all the perspective. Okay, so this will not be saved. Please make a note of this point. This is just saved in the local, the temporary memory. After that will be deleted or flushed. Okay, so SQL, first of all, what it will do, it will make a copy of this and it will convert this subject in uppercase. Till now, I think this is clear. Now, you have told that I want everything from, okay, you are told select a star from a student, means you want everything. So first of all, what I will do, it will write everything here. Okay, first thing is over. Then what I have mentioned, where marks is equal to 90. So marks is equal to 90. This is marks is equal to 90, correct?
Yes, sir.
It will take this. This is 90. It will take this. See, guys, why I'm telling in this way, because if you're writing queries, try to do analysis in this way only. Then only writing queries will be simple.
Yes.
Okay, first condition is over, marks is equal to 90. Second condition,
Yes.
upper subject is not equal to chemistry. Okay, now tell me, I have done this in uppercase. Everything is in uppercase.
Tanvir, 1 minute. So
Yeah.
the third one, third one here, the student ID third, the subject is physics here, whereas it is copied as chemistry.
I'm coming here.
Okay.
See, I have not went on subject now. Okay, just I told, first of all, what I want. First of all, I have written this. I have noticed this here. Select a star from a student. It means I want everything from a student. Okay, that's why I have copied. Okay, first of all, delete me everything. Let me repeat. So first of all, select a star from a student means I want all the columns from a student. Is this clear? So what I have done, I have copied all the columns. Is this clear, guys? Okay, first step is over.
Yes.
Next, after this, let's proceed further. Where marks is equal to 90, I will stop here. I'm searching anything on subject, any filter on subject? No, I'm not bothered.
Only
I am
marks.
just looking, okay, marks is equal to 90. So I'm not looking into the subject. Okay, this is a black word for me. Just marks 90. Is this marks 90? Copy it.
Yeah.
Just here. Okay, then, okay, this marks is 90. Am I looking into the subject?
No, you are
I'm not looking at
marks.
subject. I am looking only in the marks. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is 90. Okay. Is this clear now?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, very good. After this, I'll proceed further. What is the next condition? And
Upper of subject.
upper subject. First of all, tell me, subject is in uppercase or not? We have converted this in
Yeah,
uppercase or
uppercase.
not?
Yes.
Converted.
Uppercase.
Is not equal to CHE. Is not equal to CHE. Now tell me, PHY is not equal to CHE. It is correct or not?
Yeah, correct.
Correct. So we will accept this. Correct. We will accept this.
Yeah.
Accepted. Now this now CHE and this CHE, they both are different or not?
Yeah, both are different because
Different
your
because
HNE
not
network,
equal to.
HNE
Okay, this is
Yeah.
also different. So this is also accepted. Congratulations. Okay. Now PHY, is this different to this CHE or not?
Yeah, different.
Different. So that's why we will accept this as well. So that's why you are getting 3 records.
Yeah, understand.
Hope this is clear.
Okay.
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
But guys, see, sometime they will not ask they will not give scenario that okay, write a program, write a SQL query to fetch this data. No, sometime what is happening, they will give you a query that okay, this is the query, tell me output. Okay.
Tanvir, I have a question. Sorry,
Okay, yeah, tell me.
Vaidyanathan. So
Vaidyanathan, tell me.
I understand, like from the first part, like the where we have displayed all the records. From there only it is pulling the data, right? Whereas if we see the pulled data 3, the last you have written like 3C is equal to chemistry and 90, right?
This one.
Whereas we don't have, if you see over here in the all the data which we have recorded, we don't have 3C is equal to chemistry at all.
3C.
So how it is being pulling the data 3 is equal to chemistry? Because we don't have that first data.
No, this is 3C physics. No, I think how
No,
is
here,
the chemistry here?
yeah, that only I raised that question.
Oh, you are correct. You are correct. Okay, this is 3C physics now.
No, but when you copy there, it is coming as chemistry only. I don't know why.
Why it is coming as chemistry? You are correct. It is coming as chemistry. No. Okay. Let me check this. Good catch. Oh, it is coming chemistry. Just a minute. 3C physics 90. Okay. I'm copying this. Now should some magic is happening. Oh, let me copy this somewhere else. Oh, it is coming physics here. I think some format has taken Excel. Now this is fine.
Yeah.
You are correct. You are correct. I think it has taken some previous format of Excel. That's why. Okay.
4 is chemistry.
4D chemistry. Yeah. Similarly, 4D chemistry is there. So I think something by the copy paste it has happened. But the concept is clear. You understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, understand.
Fine. Any other question? Anyone? No questions. Okay. So just I will wait for 2 minutes. Quick feedback. How you are feeling so far? Are you feeling that no, this is very a lot of rules are there? It is boring. A lot of things I have to keep in mind. Very confusing and all those things. Please share feedback. What you think? Because I will plan accordingly.
Actually, what I felt that having clause and group clause, like they're like complicated. So what I need is to practice. So that is, I'm getting confused between where I have to use having, where I have to use group by. So that is.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you want me to repeat that again, Shivanshu?
No, not repeat. I'll just see your video and I will practice by myself.
Okay,
After practice, if I get any of the issue, then I will just
Sure.
contact you.
You can come back to me. That's why what I used to do is when I'm teaching, I will stick to that only. I will don't want to go to that aggregate and all those functions. So just Shivanshu, very simple. Whenever you want to apply filter condition on count of a star, you have to use having. Okay, that's all. Story finished. And for any other condition, use where. Is it clear? Okay. So it is like.
Can we assume like having and where does the same work?
Just a minute. Count a star whenever you're using, you have to use having. Okay. And for all the other conditions, all the other functions, not I will tell conditions, functions, you have to use where. Okay, so
Okay.
where is like a global filter. You can use this
Okay.
anywhere. But when you're using count star, you have to use having. That's all.
And group by.
Yeah. And group by. Count star, group by. But group by will come into picture when you want some other column in select clause. That's all.
Okay.
But where there is no
Hmm.
such condition, where you want to use, no need to use group by or whatever you want. Is
Okay.
it clear?
So group by is always used with having.
Group by is always used with having. No, group by you have to use only when you are using, when you want some other column in select clause apart from count of a star. Then only you have to use group by. Okay. Let me show that
Okay.
again. Let me show
No.
that again.
Okay. I'll practice by myself today.
Uh-huh.
Then I'll ask you.
Practice. See, I am repeating.
Hmm.
See, the concept is whenever you want to use any column in select clause apart from a count star, you are using salary here apart from count star.
Yes. Yes, salary.
Then
Yes.
you have to use group by.
Group by. Okay.
Don't think about having. Forget that.
Okay. Okay.
Here in count star, do you have any column?
No.
No column. Do you want to use group by?
Yes. If I want to use group by, then I will add any column.
No. Here, do you have any column apart from count star?
No.
No. Is group by mandatory here?
No.
No.
Okay. Here you are using salary apart from count star. Is group by mandatory here?
Yeah, group by mandatory.
Group by is
Can use
mandatory.
group by.
No, not can, must. You must have to use
Okay.
group by.
Okay.
Here you are using two columns apart from count star. Is group by required here? Mandatory or not?
Yes.
It is
Mandatory.
mandatory. It is mandatory. Clear?
Yes. Okay. Got you.
That's fine. That's all. And don't mix having and group by. Forget that. Okay. Group by is required only when you want to use any other column apart from count of a star. Story finished. No further discussion. Okay. Now, what is having? Whenever you want to apply any filtering with count of a star, whenever you want to apply any filter with count of a star, you don't use where, because generally where is the global filter? Where is the global filter? You see, everywhere I have used where. Here I have used where to filter out the data. Here I have used where to filter out the data, right? But if you're using where in this place, so the SQL will throw some error message. So that is why whenever you want to apply filter on count of a star, use having. That's all. Story finished. No further discussion. Only two rules. The first rule is, if you want to use any column with count of a star, please add group by at the last. First rule. Second rule, when you want to apply any filter condition on count of a star, please write instead of where, write having. That's all.
Having.
Okay. And now don't think that if I'm using having, do you have to use group by? No, don't think that. I don't want to confuse you, all these things. Okay. Slowly you will understand that concept. Now you can ask that, okay, Tanvir, if I'm using group by, do I have to use having? No, don't make any relation between having and group by. Okay, they're like enemy. Don't think anything about that. Only two rule. What was the first rule?
If I want to use any column with the count, then I must include group by.
Perfect. Very good. Second rule.
Second rule is if I want to use count, then I will not be using where. I will be using having.
When you want to use count star in the filter, here we are applying filter, no? Applying filter. So you have to write having. That's all. No further discussion. Simple.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Now you have to do practice. See, whatever I am teaching or any other instructor, facilitator, and a teacher they are teaching. So that is only 10%, guys. Now the 90% is on your hard work. Okay, you have to practice. And I am always ready. Call me, ping me, or drop me a note on WhatsApp. Many of you have done last week. You might have seen that. Whenever I get time, I will reply to that. Okay.
Yes.
So try to take benefit. Okay. Thanks, Shivanshu. Any other feedback, guys? Why I'm asking, this will help me to plan my session. Or anyone who want me to repeat everything, I'm ready. I can repeat the same thing tomorrow. Anyone who wants me to repeat?
I have a question regarding assignment.
Assignment. What question? Tell me.
8, 9, and 10.
I will come to that. That we have not discussed. I will come to that.
Okay, okay.
Till now, so far, any confusion? Vaidyanathan, what is your
No.
feedback? Any place where you are stuck? Anything
Oh,
you want
it
me to
is-
modify?
No, it is very clear. Like
It's
we are
clear to
already.
you?
Yeah. It's very clear.
Okay, take it. But please ask questions, guys. And if you think that no, this concept is not clear, tell me straightforward. Tanvir, please repeat. Not a
Sir,
problem.
one question.
Hmm.
Sir, for the 17th row, is it very necessary to write having first and then group by? Because in my case, when I
Very
studied
good. Very
group by, after that we use having, right?
Vaidyanathan has asked this question in ETS session, right, Vaidyanathan?
No, it's me, sir.
Who has asked? Sandeep has asked.
Yeah.
Okay, Sandeep has asked.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So this was the question. Okay. So what, Sandeep, what do you think? What should the output for this?
Yeah, it will, we will get written. We will get a report.
Same output?
Yeah, same output. Yes.
Is it clear, Akshay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
We
You know,
can
same thing
write
happened.
both the way.
We can write both the way. Same thing happened once I was giving a presentation in my previous organization. Okay. And you know, I have this habit of writing like this. Why? I will tell you the reason. Because in my writing SQL, no, I have made a structure. What is the structure? I will write select first of all, always. Then I will write from. Then I will write join. Then I will write on. Then I will write where or having together. Then I will write group by. Then I will write order by. Because after this I will write order. So this sequence, no, I have fixed in my mind. Because like you guys, when I was studying all these things almost like 10 years back, no, so always I used to get confused in this format. Okay, sometimes they will tell, okay, right, having the group by first, because I think Akshay has asked same question that in your project they're writing like this, Akshay, right? Group by and then having. So I used to get confused. Then I thought that okay, let's try this one if it is working or not. Then I tried and that was working. So then from
So
that
in general
onwards, I
cases,
made
they
the rule.
teach you about the this sequence in
Uh,
particular, but okay, fine.
uh-huh.
I got your point. Yes.
No, but if you think Akshay like you are comfortable with this, so you try this one. Your wish. Okay, I'm not telling
Yes.
to try this. If you
Yes.
think that no, Tanvir, I am
I
comfortable
have
with this,
seen
I
this
want
for the
to try.
first time and I was confused that whether this will run
Okay.
it that way.
No, then you go ahead with this one. If this is
Yes.
fixed in your mind,
Yeah.
so you can go ahead with this. Not a problem. But
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
both will work. Both
Okay.
can try this
Okay.
one that way.
Okay.
But from my perspective, no, I got used to this one. Okay, that's why this is a syntax I always follow in writing any query. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
Tanvir,
Okay. Yeah.
but in the yes, but in the last query, we cannot use order by in between. Now we have to use at the last now. Order by
Order by, you have to use it in the last only.
at last only, you know. Okay.
You cannot use this before anywhere. You will this will throw
Okay.
an error message. You can try this.
Okay.
Order by always use in the last. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Very good discussion. Perfect. Any other question? No questions. Okay. Shall I proceed then? Because I thought of discussing one more point in this question. We are discussing about this. No, I have one more scenario here. So I'm proceeding with that. Okay. Select star from employee. Okay, this is all over there. No, not this one. We are talking about subject, no, physics and chemistry. Yeah, this was the one which we are discussing. Okay. Correct. So we are talking about multiple ways that my manager, he was telling that no, Tanvir, I want to write like this, and then like this. So then you guys told me that okay, Tanvir, you can write like this. Oh, I think yeah, someone has told. Not in no. Not in chemistry, no. Like this, I think we have discussed, right? This was clear, right? Okay. Now my question. So guys, this was clear, no? This was what we have
Yes.
discussed, right? So far. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
clear.
clear.
Okay. Now I'm twisting something. Okay, and the one who has understood perfectly. Okay, he will give me the correct response. Okay, I'm doing something in this data. What I'm doing? I'm doing something in this data. Okay. Condition is same. Marks 90, subject is equal to physics. You guys just told me that Tanvir, you can write the same query by all these ways you have discussed. Okay. Okay, let me remove this one here, or otherwise this will be confusing. Okay, because This was a special scenario. Okay. So you guys have told me that Tanvi, this is the ways you can write the same query by this multiple ways, and we have checked and this was correct, right? You all are convinced that yeah, we can write the same query by this condition as well. Okay. But now I'm adding one more record in this table, and then you have to think very carefully and then tell me what should be the query now. Okay. Shall I show you this?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Math. Oh, math. Let me insert this. One row inserted. Now tell me, same condition, everything is same, but just I have inserted one more record. Okay, suppose the next day the control and batch they have run, and in the full load, incremental load, we got now this data. Now your existing, first of all, tell me, is this query now it will give me the same result or not?
No.
No, it will not give me the same result. Okay.
Yeah, it
First
will
of
not
all,
return.
coming from here. Now, first of all, check this. What was the output?
Yeah,
Don't
only
be in a
physics
hurry.
and
Don't be
night.
just a minute. Just a minute. Don't be in a hurry, guy. This was the output, right? This was the output.
Yeah.
Now, 1 minute here. 1 minute. I will come to that. This was the output. Now, first of all, tell me. This all will give you the same output. Till here, it will give you the same output. Now,
Same output. Yeah.
if I will run this, will you get the same output or not? First of all, yes
No.
or no? No.
No, no.
Why? Why no?
Because max is added. Max subject is added.
Math subject is added. So what modification I have to do in this query?
Yeah, subject not equal to chemistry and not equal to max.
Not in chemistry, because you don't want chemistry and you don't want math as well. Correct?
Yeah, yes.
So
Yeah.
now you have to add this condition as well, because if you're telling not chemistry only, then math will come into picture here, no? Suppose
Yes,
if I
yes.
will remove this. Okay, if this is the query, if you're executing this query, so you can see here math is also coming, but you don't want math. So now in the condition you have to write, I don't want chemistry, but I don't want math as well. So in the query you have to modify like this. Correct? Understood, guys?
Yes.
Only Shivanshu has understood. Other 5 you have not understood?
Understood, sir.
Understood.
Yeah, understood. Clear.
Understood, no? Okay.
Yes.
So if the data is getting modified like this, you should know all the ways how you have to handle it. Okay. Similarly, here what you can do, subject is not equal to chemistry or subject is not equal to maths. No. Okay, let me write this. Subject is not equal to maths.
Yes.
MATH. Oh, we got multiple outputs. Why?
Because you are writing R condition, right?
Then what's the problem?
Not equal to chemistry, not equal to.
And
What is happening here? You have told I don't want chemistry, but chemistry is coming here. You have told I don't want maths, but maths is also coming here.
We have to write and.
but the marks is 90. Marks is 90. That's why.
Marks is 90. Okay, so you're telling one condition is fulfilled. That's why.
Yes. And you use and.
Okay, 1 minute. What about this? This and an or condition. This is very confusing. Now I'm running this one. Okay, just I've added bracket. Now what about this?
Oh yeah, now it's all fine.
Now is it working? Again, same problem.
My
Oh, what happened?
again, chemistry and maths is coming.
So guys, this two, take this as an assignment, think over this, execute this, okay, and then tell me that why you're getting this output. You have mentioned that you don't want chemistry, you don't want maths. Even then chemistry is coming, maths is coming, and the previous case you were getting many other outputs. Why? Okay, you guys will try this, or you want me to give you the answer for this now?
We will try and get back to you. If you're not able to.
You don't give, we'll give answer.
You want me to give the answer?
No, no.
We will
You will try?
yeah.
Okay, very good. So this two query, you run this and the output whatever is coming, give me the justification in tomorrow's class that okay Tanvir, you have mentioned you don't want subject chemistry, but even then subject chemistry is coming, this is the reason. Okay, like that, tell me the reason for these two queries. Very interesting, that's why I given you this. Okay. And I will share this table and
Yeah.
all those things with you.
Yeah.
Okay. No, okay, fine. Okay, so I think it is now 10:35 and we have done a very healthy discussion and very good questions you guys have asked, everyone has asked. Very good and interactive question. That is what I want the session to be. Okay. And but again, I'm repeating, if any topic, any concept, if you want me to repeat, so feel free, connect with me and we can discuss that. So let's stop the session now. So just the last and final call. Any suggestion or any final feedback that okay, Tanvir, this is fine, but do something different. Please tell in this manner. Please do some more hands-on, or please reduce the speed, or you are going fastly. Something, whatever is there. Please tell me. Who wants to go first? Okay, no one. Okay, anything which you liked in today's session? I want to ask from Sandeep because you are experienced, you know SQL
Yeah,
already.
yeah, feeling good. Yeah, I am knowing new things also.
New thing, no? It is not like that. Are you thinking that no, Tanvir, I know all these things. This is already
No,
I
no,
know.
no. I'm not.
That is it.
Yes, I'm not thinking like that.
Okay, Vaidyanathan,
I am learning daily.
something new you have learned
Yeah,
today.
yeah.
Okay.
Every time I'm learning. Yeah.
Okay, so just I was thinking while delivering this session, because maybe if these things you are thinking that I'm getting bored, this already I know, Tanvir. Okay, but that's good. You're learning something new. Okay, Imran, what about you? You are a fresher. What do you think? Are you able to cope up with the concepts?
Yeah, I'm little bit confused today. I'm not.
Okay, I think maybe you have joined late. That's why, or the concepts
Late.
were tough or complicated.
Yeah. I'll go
Okay,
through. I mean,
you
will you
go
share
through this.
the?
I will share the recording as well, Imran. Go through that, but connect with me if you need any help. No, please connect with me.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay then.
perfect. Okay, Akshay, what about you?
Sir, session is good, but what I'm thinking is on the if we are taking weekend classes, so frequency can be
Correct. Even I was thinking this. So
because
actually,
with
what is happening? The rhythm
with
is getting broken, no? Okay. So what time you suggest? Because actually, from Monday, actually, I have discussed this earlier as well with you guys that if you want to continue on weekdays, no, Monday, Tuesday, like that. But some of you were having some constraint.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
Chair,
so constraint with the timings. If we want to keep it in the evening, I'm okay with it.
evening that will become maybe like tough for me, but tell me others,
Okay.
Sandeep, Vaidyanathan, Shivanshu, Imran, you want to continue this on weekdays, on evening, is it fine? Tell me frankly, if it is not fine, tell me that no, Sandeep, this is not fine.
Yeah, for me it's fine. Morning 7:30 to 8:30, any time. Morning.
Morning 7:30 to 8:30, Sandeep. From Monday I have ATL batch, it
Yeah.
is going to start.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Sir,
good.
one thing we can do, we can stretch this particular session for 3 hours. Is that?
3 hours, is it fine for everyone?
Yeah, yes.
So
In
yeah,
weekends.
uh,
Yeah.
It
but I
can be
think that
hectic
will
for
become
Imran for the
exhaustive.
as a fresher, but
Imran is a fresher, no? He will leave the class, he will not come back again.
is he come back? Okay,
Okay.
that is the
So
thing.
no, 3 hours will become hectic, guys, because like it is like antibiotic course, you have to digest it as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Overdose, maybe sometime it can
So
become
one more point
harmful.
I want to highlight. As in this two guy, which they are not about the theoretical part, so they are not able to understanding. So either way, you can start with the theoretical part about what is the sequence, and then we will implement. Today we are directly implementing having, so it was maybe
Okay.
it was a problem for them.
Okay, fine. Yeah, you're so correct. From theoretical concepts and then practical implementation. That is what you're telling, no?
Yes, sir. Yes. And for me
Okay.
as well, I'm expecting the same. So sometimes
Okay.
we got
Uh-huh,
confused.
fine. Okay. Okay, fine. So that is correct, Akshay. Even I was thinking in that way. But you know, the thing is, SQL now is totally practical, hands-on. I have
Correct.
to prove everything with the query and all those things, then that will make more sense. But okay, I will try to not give you surprises with any new concepts directly. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'll take care of that, Akshay. Perfect. Very good. Perfect. ठीक है, ठीक है. Fine then. Okay, guys. Let's continue with this timing, 9 to 10:30. Okay, and almost I think this is the second week. I think second week. Yeah. So, but that's fine. Don't worry about the timings. Keep revising this concept, and I will share the recordings. Go through that, everyone, and let me know if you have any queries. And from Monday onwards, just I'm highlighting, Monday I have ETL batch. So from Monday onwards, I'll be sharing some questions I will post on my LinkedIn page related to Python as well. Okay. So those who are interested, please go through those questions. Even those who are following, they might have seen that the questions are a little bit tricky and all those things. So do go through that. I'm not telling that like, subscribe, share, and all those things. Okay. Even I will suggest don't do that. Okay. So just look at those concepts silently. So hopefully that will help you. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine, perfect. So I will share the assignments and MCQs by today EOD, and then let's connect tomorrow. But please revise the today's concepts, and then tomorrow that will be more interesting for you guys. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.